Hello and welcome to Glittershinenails. I recently purchased 7 stamping polishes from Nail.supplies, who are the UK stockist of Clear Jelly Stamper. So in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing these stamping polishes, and as always you can find where I purchased them from along with the Clear Jelly Stamper website stockist list in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification turned on, and please also like this video. These really do help out my channel, thank you. So here are the 7 that I purchased, and there's some really pretty colours. The first one is 011 Dolla Dolla Bill, which is a gorgeous mid sort of tone green. As with all Clear Jelly Stamper polishes, they're all a really nice consistency. Next we have 013 Pirate Storm, which is a really nice dark blue. These are all the 5ml bottles. I only have the white and black in the 10ml bottles. Next we have 019 Miss Maggie, and I think it's Miss Maggie Mae. And this is a beautiful pink colour. This bottle, however, does need a really good mix, which I will do later. Next we have 025 Periwinkly, which is a very pretty purple. I do prefer these smaller bottles, which is a strange one for me. Next we have 034 Angelic White, which is a pearl white. I have had this one a little while and it has been used in a couple of my videos already. Next we have 037 Caribbean Dream, which is a stunning metallic teal. I don't have anything like this colour in my collection. It is really exciting for me to have something that I don't have already. And then we have 051 Bring On the Bubbly, which is a beautiful, now I'm going to call it rose gold colour because that's what I see it as. And I again have had this one a little while, but all of these colours are absolutely stunning. So I have my scraper along with my Clear Jelly Stamper Big Bling XL stamper in pink, which I'll be using for the swatches. I'll also be using CJS LC14 Diamonds in Ice, and as with all my other swatch review videos on the polishes, I'll be using this image along the side, and I'll be swatching each colour over black and white pop sticks. So I'll be starting with 011 Dolla Dolla Bill. At the top of the screen you'll also see it over 3 other colours as well. And for 011 I've used 2 different greens and a yellow. Now I'm not keen on them over the greens, but they were the only greens that I could find that would work. But I'm really surprised that it has worked over the black, and I'm excited to use this with the other greens that I already have. Next, 013 Pirate Storm. Now I do have all of the other colours that I have from Clear Jelly Stamper here on my website, and you'll find them in the Clear Jelly Stamper playlist. Now with the black pop stick I knew that wouldn't stamp, but I wanted to show it anyway. But I've also stamped it over pink, silver and blue, which I think all look really good, especially the pink and the blue. And again, I'm excited to put this with the other blues that I have as well. Next, 019 Miss Maggie Mae. Now for me personally, I do like to have pinks, purples, greens and blues in lots of different colours. So this pink will go really well with the other pinks that I already have. I've also swatched 019 over purple, pink and a light movie purple. Now I will say that I'm not keen on it over the light movie purple. I think a light pink would have worked a lot better. But again, I am excited to see this with the other pinks that I've got, see how it all works. Next we have 025 Periwinkly. I do see that this polish has a slight purple tone to it, which I really do like. Again, this will go really well with the other blues, but I also want to see how it works with purples as well. I've also stamped it over blue, purple and pink. I really do like it over the purple, it's very different. But I also love it over the pink as well, so this has got a lot of possibilities with this stamping polish. Next we have 034 Angelic White. Now this stamping polish is almost the same as Born Pretty Pearl White stamping polish. However, 034 is a tad on the brighter side. Now over white it is very subtle. For me, I see bridal nails for that. Over the other colours, it does have a silvery tone to it. I've also swatched it over a purple, a greeny purple carmelian pigment base and a red, and I have to say I absolutely love it over the pigment base. It looks stunning. Next we have 037 Caribbean Dream. I found that I don't have many pop sticks that would work with 037, but what I did find, the two greens and the blue worked really well. They're subtle but stunning. I definitely want to try this together with 039 Teal or No Teal, which is a teal stamping polish, again from Clear Jelly Stamper, and I'm sort of hoping that they work really well together, but it's going to be interesting to see what works with 037. And then finally we have 051 Bring On The Bubbly. So I've also swatched this over red, purple and blue, which works so well. Now I purchased this because it reminded me of Calypso Gold from Hit the Bottle, and I have to say it is so close in colouring. I wanted to add this to my collection because of Clear Jelly Stamper polishes drying so much slower than normal stamping polishes. They're so much easier to use for layering, so this one is going to be used quite a bit. I personally can't wait to start using these for swatch review videos. You'll be seeing these very soon. Clear Jelly Stamper polishes are probably one of my favourite polishes to use, and you'll be able to find all of these swatches over on my Instagram page in the next few days. There is a link in the description box below. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on these Clear Jelly Stamper stamping polishes. I hope that you have enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below, I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, thanks for watching and bye.